Good day to everyone. My name is Rowan C. Cadorna, BSc 29. For me, criminal investigation is a science. This is because it relies on evidence, facts, and systematic methods. Investigators don't just guess or rely on instinct alone. They use scientific tools and procedures such as fingerprint analysis, DNA testing, ballistic autopsies, and even digital forensics. For example, DNA testing can identify a suspect with high accuracy, while ballistic can determine if a bullet came from a certain gun. These are all scientific methods that are measurable and objective. Without science, an investigation would base only on assumptions, and that would not be accepted in court. Science gives criminal investigation its credibility and reliability. However, criminal investigation is also an art. Science alone cannot solve every case. Investigators must use skill, judgment, creativity, and even intuition to connect the dots. Not all crimes have complete evidence. Sometimes our crime scene is contaminated or witnesses give conflicting statements. In this situation, the investigator must interpret clues, reconstruct the sequence of events, and make logical inferences. This requires the art side of investigation. For example, interviewing a suspect is not just by asking questions scientifically, it is about using human skill, like observing body language, building rapport, and knowing when someone is lying. This cannot be measured by science but are part of the art of investigation. A good way to understand this balance is to imagine a puzzle. Science gives you the puzzle pieces, but an art teaches you how to put them together. An investigator who relies on only science may miss the bigger picture, while one who relies only on art might make assumptions with solid evidence. That's why the best investigators combine both using scientific methods to collect facts and artistic skill to interpret them correctly. To give an example, let's say there was a robbery, science can provide fingerprints, CCTV footage, or DNA from a dropped item. But what if the suspect planned carefully and left little evidence? That's where the art comes in. An investigator might study suspect behavior patterns, analyze motives, or creatively connect the timeline of events. Both sides are needed to react the truth. So, in conclusion, criminal investigation is not purely an art and not purely science. It is a combination of both. The science ensures accuracy, fairness, and objectivity, while the art ensures that investigators can think critically, adapt to different situations, and use human judgment. Without science, investigation would lack proof. Without art, they would lack creativity and understanding. Therefore, the strength of criminal investigation lies in the balance of the two.